Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to view a web page as mobile in Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, you'll want to navigate to any web page you'd like to view in mobile format. This could be your own website you're testing or any site you're curious to see how it appears on mobile devices. Now here's where the magic happens. Right-click anywhere on the web page. When you do this, a context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, look for and click on Inspect. This will open up Brave's developer tools, which is a powerful feature that lets you peek behind the scenes of any web page and test different viewing modes. Once the Inspect panel opens, you'll notice it typically appears at the bottom or side of your browser window. Direct your attention to the upper right area of this developer tools panel. You'll see a row of icons and options near the top. Look specifically for the Toggle Device Toolbar button, which is located right next to the Elements tab. This button is your gateway to viewing the page in different device formats. Click on it to activate the mobile viewing mode. After clicking Toggle Device Toolbar, you'll see the web page transform and display with mobile device controls. At the upper left of your screen, you'll notice a drop-down menu that currently says Responsive. Click on this drop-down to reveal all the available mobile device options. This menu contains a comprehensive list of popular mobile devices and screen sizes, giving you the flexibility to test exactly how your web page appears across different phones and tablets. From the drop-down list that appears, select your preferred mobile option. Whether you want to see how the page looks on an iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, Pixel, or any other device, simply click on your choice from the list. The web page will immediately adjust to show you exactly how it would appear on that specific mobile device, complete with the correct screen dimensions and layout. And that's it. You've successfully switched to mobile view in Brave browser, allowing you to see exactly how any web page appears on mobile devices without needing to grab your phone. This is incredibly useful for web developers, designers, or anyone who wants to ensure their content looks great on mobile screens. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.